The Gallery F1080 DTF printer leads the pack in terms of exclusive features, solid performance, and bold print colors. Print up to 65 or more shirts per day with this production powerhouse. This is the only entry-level DTF printer with a film inspection light, so you know when your prints are looking perfect. The entire system monitors and maintains itself to ensure maximum print quality at all times. There is no need to stop production when inks are low. Just refill the tanks while still printing. The white ink system automatically stirs and circulates ink, even overnight and on weekends when you are not at your printer. The built-in trimmer is a must-have for small jobs. At the same time, the F1080 feels equally at home when connected to a powder shaker for high production jobs. When you compare so many advanced features at such a low price point, the F1080 printer always comes out on top.